you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new subscription box to show you guys, and I'm super excited about this one. That is this right here. That is the BoxDog. This is a seasonal summer box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this company reached out to me. They asked if I'd be willing to review their product on my channel, and after looking into it, I was like, oh my gosh, that sounds amazing, and I'm super excited for this to come and for Vienna to open it. I will bring her up here in just a moment. She is knocked out sleeping next to me right now, minding her own business, being such a good little girl. But right now, since this is the first time I'm bringing a box to my channel, I want to tell you everything about it first. So I'm going to let you know all about it, and then I'll bring her up here and we will open this up together. But I love the fact that this is a seasonal box for your fur baby. I love that. Like, I've never seen that anywhere else. So let's go ahead and go over what to expect. And then, like I said, I'll bring her up here. So BoxDog, what's in the box? Handmade treats, 100% irresistible. Summer gear, because this is a summer box, so this is summer gear. Pick your own toys or gear. Dog toys, high-end toys, choose yours. No contracts, skip a box or cancel at any time. So now they do have a monthly BoxDog, which is $34.99. You build your own box. So that one you complete, it's a complete build-a-box. You choose 4 items, including treats, toys, clothing, or skincare each month. Tough chewer toys are available, and grain-free options are available as well. So you can do a monthly, or you can do the seasonal like they sent me. This should be the giant quarterly BoxDog, which is $39.99 a box. You get 4 types of handmade treats and 1 vegan skincare item. Then you get to choose the dog toys, clothing, and gear. Great for large dogs and tough chewers. It has a $125 or more value in every box. Then they also have a grain-free quarterly BoxDog, which is $44.99, so it's only $5 more, but then you're guaranteed everything grain-free. And you get the same 4 bags of treats made with 1 vegan skincare. You get to choose the toys, clothing, and gear, and it's the same value. It's just all grain-free. Now, they did send me a link, and I was able to choose, I think it was 3 or 4 items. I'll correct myself right here. I got to choose, it was 3 or 4 items, and you go through the list and you get to choose those items, and then they add it to your box with the treats and the skincare item that should be in here as well. So when I saw that and I heard all that, I'm like, oh my gosh, that sounds so amazing. So I'm super excited. I'm probably more excited about this box because I'm so excited to see what's going to be inside and how it's presented and what she's going to do. So let me go ahead and bring her up here and let's see. Vienna, you want to see what's in your box? Oh, and you guys can use the code MAT, M-A-T, and you can get a free summer dog cooling mat valued at $29.99 if you sign up and use that code. Okay, you guys, I do apologize. When I went to the website first, it was showing exactly what I told you with the pricing, but if you click on it to actually subscribe, then it shows right here that you can select 2 of the premium items for $39.99 or 3 of the premium items for $44.99. So technically the box that I received is the $49.99 box, but if you sign up for the 2 premium items and you use the code MAT, you get the free cooling mat. So technically you can get the same box like I have for the $39.99, but then moving forward, you would only receive 2 items in your box, which that is still an amazing deal, and I still love this box just as much. But I did want to correct that really quick, that there is a $10 difference if you want to get the 3 premium items, or you can stick with the 2 plus all of the treats and the skincare item for the $39.99. Oh, yeah. Okay, I have you. Yes, I have you. Ooh, is that your box? Okay. So here she is. Say hi. Say hi with your little paw. Say hi with your little paw. So let's go ahead and, oh, I forgot to cut the tape first. Let me, oh, and I dropped my knife earlier. Let me pull the tape off because I don't have it. But let me just show you guys the box because I think this is super cute. We're gonna open it. Hold on. Okay, so the top of it has this really cool design, and I don't know if they change this box season to season because again, this is my very first box, but this is very summery and it's super, super cute. So you have BoxDog, BoxDog.com, and all of this cute little summery scene. And then right here, it says 100% handmade dog treats are inside. And there's a little lobster back there. And let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have. Hey, baby. How cute. So it has the tissue paper. We gotta open it. There's stuff in there for you. What is all that? What is that? Ooh, I see some treats. Okay, let's go ahead and see what is all in here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for you. I'm so excited for you. Okay, so in here, here's a BoxDog bakery. There's soft bacon and cheese bites. Ooh, peanut butter bones, yum, and soft honey and cinnamon bites. And these are all handmade. So you have all 3 different flavors in that box. Super cute, look. Do you wanna try one of these? Here, let's get these open. Ooh, you want a treat? You want a treat? Ooh, here we go. Which one do you want? You want that one? Here, you are slobbering on it. She just wolfed that down, and I have a picky eater over here. With her treats, she's very picky, and she wants another one. Ooh, which one did you eat? You had, it wasn't the bone, so it was either, I'm trying to smell her breath. It was either the soft bacon and cheese bite, which I think that was it, or the soft honey and cinnamon bite. But that is just so cute. They look like little gourmet cookies in there. Okay, so now the stuff that I got to choose. Okay, so I got to choose 3 items, I believe, because here's one of them. And these are tough toys too, yay. Because I have, you know, if you watch my videos, you see my girl. She is very tough on her toys. So this is a tough toy, and I got to choose. There's several different ones you can choose from. So this is a Tuffy World's Strongest Soft Dog Toy. Ooh, and there's a lot of squeakers in there. Hang on, baby girl. Hold on, baby. Here, let me, here, I have scissors here. Let me cut this off. Hold on. I know you are so excited, huh? Yes, you are. Oh, I know. Mommy's more excited for you. So here is let me show you guys. There is that, and it says on the back, mydogtoy.com. Okay, sorry, here you go. Excuse me. She's like, give me that. Okay, be careful. Don't drop this off the table because these are your treats. Here, let me move these because. Okay, so then now here's the second toy that I got to choose, and it's a lobster from the same company. So it's the Tough. You're gonna knock my box off the table. Now you're perking up. Yeah. You want to see what this one is? Wait. Can I show your fans first? Can I show your fans first? Let go. So then here is the lobster. Super, super cute. And these are really good size. There's, whoa. Excuse me, ma'am. Thank you. And, okay, whoa, you are so excited, aren't you? Yes, you are. Okay, here, you can look at that one. So again, I got to choose the toys, and those are the 2 toys that I chose for her because they were tough and I looked good quality, and they look even better in person. So I give them that. Okay, so now in here, there is something. It says, this is a really nice bag. It's like a resealable bubble bag, and it has their logo. And then on this side, it says, BoxDog Bakery Gourmet Frosted Cookies. What? Flour, honey, vegetable oil, vanilla, yogurt frosting. They should put a one for your mama in here. Yes, these are yours. Oh my gosh, how stinking cute. And these are handmade, you guys. Look, here's a surfboard. And then here is a shark. Here's your baby shark. Doo 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 doo. She was trying to turn her head back so much. She couldn't go anymore. That was cute. You made me laugh. So here's these two little cookies. These look so good. Like, oh, they smell so good. I'm super jealous of you right now, Miss Thing. And then, oh, this one, I pulled the wrapper and then they came out. So inside here here's a turtle. You want to take a bite? Bite it. Bite. There you go. You gotta bite. Use your teeth. There you go. You can eat your turtle's head off? Yeah. That smells like you guys, that smells like a cookie that I want to start eating right now with her. And I'm sure I probably could. That smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so jealous. Oh my gosh. So anyway, there was a turtle that she ate the head off. And then here, nope. And then here is a sun. Oh my gosh, they smell amazing. You are one lucky little doggy girl, let me tell you. Let me put that over here so you don't keep eating more because I don't know what else you're getting in this box. Hold on. So you have these amazing cookies. Holy moly, those, they smell like so good. Like, I'm jealous. I'm so jealous right now. And then the next item that I got to choose, and I believe this is the cooling mat that they would be, oh wait, hold on. There's something else in here. I'm sorry. It says BoxDog sunscreen. Is this for the dog? Sunscreen? Apply to nose and other sensitive areas prior to sun exposure. How cute. I could put this on your nose. You have sunscreen. I've never seen sunscreen for a dog, you guys. That is amazing. Such a good thing for the summer box. Wow. Okay. So I chose this mat. But I believe this is the mat that you would be getting for free if you use the code MAT for the summer box. So then if you do, then you just don't choose it and you get this one for free, valued at $29.99. So let's go ahead and get this open. It's completely like sealed, closed. This is not a toy for you, but this is something that I think you're gonna really, really like. Okay, so let's, how cute. No, baby, this is not a toy, mama. Okay, go ahead, you can sniff it. Sit down though, I don't want you to fall. This is a big one. Okay, so it has this on the bottom. Here, let me get closer. So it has like little grippers, so it'll stay put. And, whoa, this is a big size. This is nice, Vienna. Girl. And that's what it looks like with all the little surfboards on it. That is a big mat, you guys. That is a huge mat. That is nice. She loves just to lay outside. So I really wanted to choose this one because if she's outside, like let's say I'm outside gardening or doing whatever, she likes to lay on the concrete, but then it's too hot for her because it's so hot. So this now, she can lay on this and she's gonna be in hog heaven. She is just gonna love it. I cannot believe all of the things you get in here. And this was only, what, $39 a season? $39.99 a season, you guys. Wow. And I love the fact that you get to customize it yourself. So if you want to do the seasonal box, you're not getting bombarded with toys and treats every single month. It comes 4 times a year. You get to choose it. There's seasonal themes. I'm just baffled. I am baffled on how good of a presentation and the items and the quality and for such a low cost. I'm almost pretty much speechless on how much I love this box. Holy moly. Oh my gosh, I love this box. Where in the world has this box been in not in my life? And now it's in our life, huh? Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her down and I'm gonna let her play with these toys. And then I'm going to take her mat outside and put it outside. And I know she's just gonna plop her little butt on there and be in heaven looking up at the sky, just loving to be outside like she does. My little sunbathing baby. Are you my sunbathing baby, huh? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Hi. What? What? Oh, you wanna go play with your toys? You wanna go play? You have to say thank you for sending you your box. Did you say thank you? She says thank you. Good thing these are tough toys. Why do you always have to try to break the squeaker? Yeah, you. You guys, please comment down below. Let me know. I mean, you've seen me do other boxes that are dog themed. Nothing like this. I can't believe how much I love this box and how it's customizable and how they have the gourmet cookies that smell like I just want to start eating them myself. And I like that you customize it yourself. So if you have a smaller dog or a bigger dog, you can choose bigger, tougher toys or smaller toys or clothing items. There's so many things that you can choose from for only $39.99 a season. I love this box. I can't say that enough, you guys. So please comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items in here? What did you think of the concept of a seasonal box for our fur babies? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world. Again, thank you so much, BoxDog, for sending me this box to show my viewers. And for my Vienna, she definitely is Vienna approved. It's SheCrafty approved. Way SheCrafty approved. I'm loving this. Thank you so much for sending it to me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. And yeah, so until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you, we will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew out.